Hello everyone, and welcome to Cookinglandia. Today we're making one of the most classic and beloved desserts, apple pie. This dessert is famous for its comforting flavor and perfect combination of sweet apples and a crispy crust. If you're ready to impress your friends and family with a homemade treat, let's get started. And remember, if you are interested in our content, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Golden, flaky, and filled with sweet spiced apples, apple pie is the definition of comfort. But this iconic dessert didn't actually start where most people think. The earliest versions of apple pie date back to medieval England, where pies were very different from what we know today. Back then, pies were often savory, and the crust, called a coffin, was used more as a container than something you'd actually eat. As sugar became more available, apple pie slowly transformed into the sweet dessert we love today. It later became a cultural symbol in the United States, giving rise to the famous phrase, "As American as apple pie." Today, apple pie comes in many forms, from lattice crusts to caramel twists, but its heart remains the same. A timeless dessert, baked with history in every bite. And now, let's bake one from scratch. First, a quick summary of what we'll be doing today. Difficulty, moderate. Preparation time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 45 to 55 minutes. 4-hour apple pie. We'll need the following ingredients, and don't worry about writing them down. We've included them in the video description. For the crust, 2½ cups or 12 ounces of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup or 8 ounces of cold butter cut into small cubes, and 6 to 8 tablespoons cold water. For the filling, 6 to 7 apples, preferably Golden Delicious or Granny Smith, peeled, cored, and sliced thinly. 3/4 cup or 5.3 ounces of granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And the juice of half a lemon. For brushing, 1 beaten egg, and granulated sugar for sprinkling. Now, let's prepare our pie step by step. We'll start with the crust. In a large bowl, mix the flour, salt, and sugar. Add the cold butter, and work the mixture with a fork or pastry cutter until it resembles coarse crumbs. Add the cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until a dough forms. Divide the dough into 2 parts, shape into discs, wrap in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. While the dough chills, prepare the filling. Toss the apple pieces with sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon juice. Mix well to coat the apples evenly. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Remove 1 disc of dough from the refrigerator and roll it out on a floured surface with a rolling pin. Fit the rolled dough into the pie dish, trimming any excess from the edges. Pour the apple filling into the pie shell. Roll out the second disc of dough and cut it into strips to create a lattice top, or cover the pie completely with the dough and make small slits in the surface to allow steam to escape. Brush the surface of the pie with the beaten egg and sprinkle with granulated sugar. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the apple filling is bubbling. Let the pie cool on a wire rack before slicing. You can serve it warm or cold, and if you want to take it to the next level, enjoy it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And that's how you make a delicious homemade apple pie. It's perfect for any special occasion or just to enjoy with family. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our recipes. See you in the next video on Cookinglandia. And for more detailed articles and recipes, visit Cookinglandia.com.